So let's do my first unboxing video of the V8 engine swap kit for the Vega. These are very hard to come by. Most of these products have been out of the market for 25-30 years. So to my amazement, Speedway Motors actually had this kit. And I'm no way sponsored by them, but I just want to do a quick unboxing and let's take a look. Now I went ahead and to make the things easier, I already halfway open the box so I don't have to struggle while I do this. So let's go take a look. So again, not sponsored by Speedway, but I'm very excited for this. As you can see, we got really cool stickers with a Chevy Nova and some Speedway Motors. This will definitely be going on the glass, maybe in the back. So that's cool. Very, very cool. Now here should be the engine mount kits. Let's take all this paper off. There we go. And as you can see, I could have made these myself, but I never welded in my life. Well, I welded a little bit when I was taking automotive classes at the trade school. But as you can see, these are pretty hefty. That's one of the motor mounts. And man, they're heavy. Second motor mount. One of these has to be the transmission mounts, maybe? Not sure. We will have to take a look at the directions. Oh, transmission mounts in here. Yeah. That's very cool. All the hardware. The other mount. And instructions. So yeah, I don't want to bore you too much, but it's pretty exciting. This kit first started back in the 80s, maybe even late 70s. So I'm fortunate that Speedway Motors actually had them for literally half price. I paid less than $1.50 for this. So anyway, like and subscribe and tell your friends about my channel. Bye. Peace.